Hey friends, if you know me personally, you'll know that the only time you'll ever see me in a polo shirt is on the golf course. I even wrote a blog post about it. You can find a link to it in the comments. But this one is different. It celebrates 10 years as an MCT, or Microsoft Certified Trainer. I even have a nifty certificate to go with it. Yay! MCT is just one of 30 plus certifications, professional certifications that I have in my field. It represents that I want to stay current in the industry, want to make sure that I have continued to grow and build the skills necessary to serve you. I'm also a Microsoft Office Specialist Master, and I was even a Microsoft Office Specialist Master Instructor, which was rolled into the MCT program. Somewhere in the basement in a box is a certificate from over 20 years ago for product specialist. And it was signed by Bill Gates. Okay, fake signed. But it shows my longevity in this business. Thank you for trusting me. And I hope you'll continue to turn to me to help you to be more productive with the tools that you use every day. And a shout out to my MCT friends. I am honored to be part of the community.